buy a creator or gaming laptop yet. Give me a few minutes and I'll help you make the right decision and maybe save you some money. Today we will cover what a creator laptop and a gaming laptop do the same, where they differ, and a simple way to choose one on your own. If you're wondering why a creator laptop costs more even with similar specs, let's dive into the real reason. Gaming laptops prioritize performance by having stronger cooling headroom and high-end hardware. They give you better performance per dollar, the ability to upgrade some components, and more raw power overall. The trade-offs are that they're heavier, battery life is worse, and the fans can get very loud, which is important for workflows where noise minimization is important. A creator laptop will often have a factory-calibrated display, be more portable, be quieter under load, and overall better quality of life when it comes to creator workflows, like the inclusion of a dedicated SD card reader. You're not always paying for more speed, you're paying for a better creator experience. The downsides are that you could be paying a creator tax for these laptops. A creator laptop and a gaming laptop can have the same CPU and GPU, but the creator laptop can often cost noticeably more than a similarly configured gaming laptop. Same name, different performance. Because of the slimmer design, manufacturers have to limit the power that can be provided to the components because they do not have the same cooling capacity as a bulkier gaming laptop. Now on to the decision. If you're looking to buy a creator laptop just for casual content creation or for the future possibility of dabbling in editing, then you can save your money and get a gaming laptop instead, which can perform better for cheaper, as long as you're fine with the trade-offs, of course. If you're professionally involved in creative work where you work with colors, need portability, and require the machine to be silent, then you require a creator laptop for getting your work done. You guys left comments asking for specific laptop picking guides on previous videos and shorts. So here are the minimum spec floors and must-have features to look for while choosing a laptop in your budget for gaming or creator categories. For RAM, look for a laptop with at least 16 GB of RAM. 32 GB if you intend on doing heavy multitasking. Ideally look for a laptop with upgradable RAM. Some laptops come with soldered RAM, so you will need to decide your capacity at the time of purchasing, and you will be logged in for the life of the product. For storage, get a laptop with minimum 500 GB of solid state storage, and 1 TB if you think you need to work on large files or install multiple large applications. For the GPU, look for at least 8 GB of VRAM in your GPU so that your bases are covered. If you go ahead with a creator laptop, get a laptop with 100% sRGB coverage in the laptop display, and an SD card reader too if you are the one editing the footage. If you're paying for the best edit anywhere experience when it comes to the screen, battery, speakers, portability, then the MacBook Pro is the easiest recommendation. If you go with a gaming laptop, get one with good reviews of thermal management and manageable sound levels when under load. Because gaming laptop prices fluctuate so much, I'm focusing on minimum specifications and features you can apply to whatever deal is available. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or feedback. I will be sure to respond. Subscribe to DigiKinetic if you're interested in more tech explainers like this one. See you in the next one.